Welcome to Mud Island River Park, Memphis's best-kept secret that's not really a secret if you've ever tried to park there on a sunny Saturday. This video strolls through 52 acres of riverfront charm, where you can walk alongside a scale model of the Mississippi River and pretend you're crossing 6 states in flip-flops. Just don't try to swim in the Gulf of Mexico replica. Security frowns on that. As you wander across the Skybridge, half-mile of scenic views and calf workouts, the Memphis Skyline rises like a soulful mixtape, glass, grit, and a whole lot of character. It's the kind of view that makes you want to belt out a blues tune or at least hum something vaguely jazzy while holding a selfie stick. There's a giant 50-foot Memphis sign that practically begs for a photo op. Locals say if you take a selfie there and don't post it, the river spirits get offended. Okay, maybe not, but why risk it? Whether you're lounging in a riverside hammock, spinning on a tire swing, or just soaking in the sunset, Mud Island is where Memphis slows down and shows off. It's got history, heart, and just enough quirk to make you wonder if that pyramid in the distance is real. Spoiler, it is, and it sells fishing gear.